go ahead and provide access to the doors in the admin portal, we'll need to create a policy. Here we'll go to the policy section and create one right now. Here we'll name it demo policy. Now we're allowed to add any individual person or a group. We'll go ahead and add all of our employees right now. And we can apply it to any door or any group. And we'll go ahead and do it to the demo doors. Once we save that, it'll show up here. And now we're allowed to schedule it. So we want to provide easy access to our employees during work hours. So we're going to go ahead and set it to auto unlock. So once they connect, it unlocks automatically when authorized phones are nearby. We'll set this one to Monday through Friday, 8 through 6 p.m. Now we still want to provide access to the office to employees during other hours, but we want a little added security. So we'll do identification where it requires a user's PIN or biometric to unlock the door. And we'll set that for all other hours. Once we've done that, we save the policy, confirm the request on our phone, and it's been added to our list of policies. Another way that we can automatically control access in the admin portal is through door schedules. We can click on the schedule section right here and create one right now. Let's name this one Office Unlock. We can apply any individual door or group to the schedule. We'll go ahead and add the internal doors group. We can set the end date right here or have it repeat forever. We'll choose to have it repeat forever. The type of event that we want is for it to unlock at 8 a.m. to provide access to the building. And we'll set that Monday through Friday. Once we've done that, we'll need to add another event to lock the building. So we'll set that one to lock and set it for 5 p.m. Also Monday through Friday. Once we've set that up, we'll go ahead and save it right here and confirm the request on our phone. Once we've done that, it'll be added to our list of schedules.